Okay, so last but not least, this is basically not a overnight success type of business. You have to get out here, you have to grind, you have to put in the work. Okay? With that being said, don't let that discourage you because you got to put in a little elbow grease, a little think, put your thinking cap on. You know what I'm saying? It's like going back to school just a little bit. But you want to know, you basically want to know what you're doing when you're getting started. So, with that being said, go ahead and educate yourself. Go ahead and get into to the books. Go ahead and start going to these websites and reading what state requirements that are required in your particular state. You know, because I'm in Michigan. You know what I'm saying? It's not going to, same things is going to apply, the things that are going to apply to me are not going to apply to you in North Carolina or Texas, Alabama, Arkansas, uh, New York, Virginia. You know what I'm talking about? So, the reason why I brought up the 800, like I told you before, is just to give you a understanding of it's feasible. If you do the math, you can construct your business way. Just like if you're working with a broker, that particular rate that they give you is not concrete. So if they say they only can give you $19 or $25, you can negotiate that rate. You know, it's all about, you know what I'm saying, what you can offer, what type of services you offer. And if you know your services are more than what they're considering paying, then guess what? Me and that your particular broker, which is Modicare, I don't want to do business with you anyways. You know what I'm talking about? Because you don't value the service that I provide. And I know my service that I provide is top quality. Everybody that works up under my company is educated, certified, you know, and they have experience. So you are paying for, you know what I'm saying, that quality. You're not paying for quantity, you're paying for the quality of service that we provide. You know, you got to think about that. Hey, but look, this is what I got for you. I have a private community, nemtuniversity.substack.com. Go subscribe, it's free. We have a lot of information over there. I'm trying to get more active. And I just finished my free webinar that we're going to be hosting on a weekly basis. So I've just finalized that, and I want you to come over there and come learn some information from my free webinar. And then last but not least, you need to get that curriculum. The curriculum is what is going to take you step by step on how to navigate in this particular industry. You want to learn more? You know, you can use the comment. You know what I'm saying? Whatever, good or bad, let me know how you feel about the video and if this helped you. And if so, let me know. But until the next one, love, peace, and light. Salute.